darlings, how are you today? So I know it's Sunday and it's the end of the weekend, and a lot of times that makes people sad because they don't want to go back to work on Monday. But I've been trying to be a little more positive. I'm a recovering pessimist right here, or at least I'm trying most days. But what has helped me a lot is thinking that Sundays are the close to the end of the week, but that just means I get a whole entire another week of opportunities to become a better version of myself. And I hope that that helps you too. So just think about that while we are doing this workout. It will take your mind off of how much your thigh and butt is going to burn. Give that booty a pat. Okay, so I know in the move guide this sounds a little difficult, but I'm going to show you what to do. What you're going to do is you're going to lay down on your hip. Make sure that your hips are stacked up on top of each other, and then make sure you've got a really firm base here. So you can either put your hand down or a fist. Just make sure that this part of your body is open and really strong. Then you're going to bring your knee up. Try to point the toe. You can put your hand on the hip or hand here so it really makes you stable. You're going to tap that hip down and pull it up. Just that simple. If that hurts, you can also put your foot flat and just come down like that. So let's get started. 1, 2. Now this really gets into the butt and the thigh, and I promise you we're going to be doing a booty pad here in a minute because it burns. It also helps if you point your toes and really try to push your pinky toe down into the mat. Just try not to wobble as much as possible. You really want to keep a nice strong base here. Whew, I'm feeling it in my thighs. This is definitely working the inner thigh, and it's going to help you get that thigh gap right here, which I know I want, because I don't want that chafe that I get sometimes in the summer. Whew. So like I said, you can do whatever you want to with this hand here. I like to keep it right here or right here just to make sure that my body is staying nice and stable. Keep that toe pointed and remember to breathe. I know a lot of times that we forget to breathe when things get hard and we don't even notice we're holding our breath until somebody says to breathe. I actually did that in yoga class yesterday. I didn't realize that when I was doing a back bend that I didn't breathe at all until she said, exhale, and then I realized that I've probably been holding my breath for about 10 seconds. Whew. Ooh, it's burning. So, like I said, when you need to, just take a break, pat that booty out. So, as you can tell from my shirt, I am definitely one of those girls that has never grown out of her Harry Potter phase. I am still a Slytherin. Okay, that was 50 on that side. We're going to switch over to the other side. So, are you guys a Ravenclaw or a Hufflepuff or a Gryffindor? When I was a kid, I was definitely a Slytherin. But the older I get, I feel like I might be a Gryffindor now. But I find that a little weird, how much you change from a kid to now. Do you guys still like Harry Potter? Leave a comment below which house you are and let me know. So on this side, you might feel that your stabilizing leg is sore, but that's because it just did all the work. And this leg might even feel sore too already just because it was doing a lot of the work holding up your body weight. But that's normal, so just take your break. You can rest with your leg down or up, whatever feels good to you. If you are doing it with the point of your toe, make sure that it's resting either right above or below the knee. You don't want to really push it on the knee because you could hurt your kneecap. Whew. You can tell by my voice these are hard and I'm struggling a little bit. But that is a good thing. Once again, remember to point that toe on the pinky toe into the mat so it helps stabilize that leg. Try to open up your chest so you're not sinking down like that. I know I just was a second ago. But it really hurts your breathing, and you want to make sure that you can breathe when you're doing all of these moves. Whew! We should almost be there. So do you guys have any good plans for Monday? I'm hopefully going to go to a couple more places, see if maybe I can teach Pilates at a couple more places around here. And definitely got to practice my sun salutations. I gotta learn that for Wednesday. So wish me luck. Whew, I've got 3, 2, last one. Whew, give that booty a pat. Whew, congratulations guys. We made it through another day together. I'm so happy you're here and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.